Every morning, millions of seniors begin their day with one simple habit: a warm cup of coffee. But what if that same coffee could do more than wake you up? What if it could protect your muscles, keep you strong, and slow down the effects of aging? Today, I'm going to show you one small addition you can make to your morning coffee that helps stop muscle loss, the silent condition doctors call sarcopenia, and helps you stay active, independent, and full of life. So, before you take your next sip, listen carefully, because this simple change might make the biggest difference in how your body feels, starting this week. The hidden problem behind weakness after 60. If you've noticed your legs feel heavier when you climb stairs, or your arms get tired faster when lifting groceries, that's not just age catching up. It's sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle tissue that begins around age 50 and accelerates every decade. Research shows that by the time most people reach 70, they've lost up to 30% of their muscle mass. That's why chairs feel lower, steps feel higher, and balance starts to fade. But here's the good news. Sarcopenia isn't permanent. With the right nutrition, movement, and a few smart habits, like one simple coffee upgrade, your body can rebuild strength and stay resilient. Why coffee is the perfect starting point? Coffee itself isn't the problem. In fact, it can help. Studies show that moderate coffee drinkers often have better muscle performance and faster reaction times. That's because coffee contains polyphenols and caffeine, both known to increase blood flow and awaken the nervous system. But here's the missing piece. Most seniors drink coffee alone, without any real nutrition in it. It gives you energy, yes, but no raw materials to rebuild muscles. Think of it this way. Caffeine is like the spark that starts an engine, but without the fuel, the engine burns out quickly. That's why adding the right nutrient to your morning cup makes all the difference. The secret ingredient, collagen peptides. The nutrient I'm talking about is collagen peptides. And no, it's not just for skin or beauty. Collagen is the single most abundant protein in your body. It forms the foundation of your muscles, tendons, and joints. After 40, your body's ability to produce collagen drops dramatically. And without enough collagen, muscles lose structure, recovery slows, and the body becomes more prone to injury. Adding one scoop of collagen peptides to your coffee each morning can help replenish what your body stops making naturally. Multiple clinical studies show that older adults who take collagen supplements gain lean muscle mass faster and improve grip strength compared to those who don't. It's flavorless, dissolves instantly, and blends perfectly into hot drinks, meaning you don't have to change your morning routine at all. Why collagen works better with coffee? Coffee isn't just a carrier, it's an amplifier. Caffeine helps increase blood circulation, which means the amino acids in collagen are delivered faster to your muscles. That combination supports what doctors call muscle protein synthesis, the process where your body repairs and rebuilds tissue. And when you pair collagen with vitamin C, from something simple like a few drops of lemon juice or half an orange on the side, your body absorbs it even more efficiently. It's a small ritual, but over time, it supports stronger legs, steadier balance, and a faster recovery after even light exercise. Bonus: 3 coffee additions that boost the effect. If you want to take it one step further, here are 3 natural upgrades to combine with your collagen coffee. 1. Creatine monohydrate. One of the most studied nutrients in the world. Creatine helps muscles store energy, especially in older adults. Just 3 grams daily has been shown to improve walking speed, balance, and leg strength, even without heavy exercise. 2. Magnesium glycinate. Magnesium helps muscles relax after contraction, Many seniors are deficient without knowing it, which leads to cramps, restless legs, and poor sleep. Adding 200 to 400 milligrams daily, in consultation with your doctor, can make a visible difference in muscle function. 3. Whey protein or plant-based protein. Your muscles need amino acids to rebuild. Mixing protein powder with your morning coffee, sometimes called proffee, provides an easy or simple way to cook. Digestible source of fuel for muscle repair. Together, these ingredients form a gentle, natural defense against sarcopenia, giving your muscles what they need to stay firm, flexible, and full of life. Movement, mind connection. Nutrition is only half the story. Muscles grow through use. Even small movements count. Try simple exercises like standing from a chair without using your hands, or walking for 10 minutes after breakfast. These small, consistent signals tell your body, keep these muscles, I still need them. Combined with collagen coffee, these actions reinforce one another. The nutrients rebuild and the movement activates. Real benefits you'll feel. Within 2 to 3 weeks, most people notice something subtle. Climbing stairs becomes easier, posture improves, and fatigue fades faster. After 2 months, your balance gets better, your clothes fit differently, and your confidence returns. That's what happens when you nourish your body at the cellular level, not just with stimulants, but with building blocks. Coffee may wake you up, but this upgrade helps your entire body stay awake, strong, stable, and independent. So here's your simple morning plan. Brew your favorite coffee. Add 1 scoop of collagen peptides. Stir in a small splash of milk or protein powder if desired. Pair it with vitamin C, a slice of fruit, or a little lemon juice. Stretch, walk, or do light movements as you sip. That's it. No drastic diets, no expensive supplements. Just a mindful, muscle-protecting ritual to start every day strong. Remember, sarcopenia doesn't happen overnight, and neither does recovery. But with consistency, every sip of your upgraded coffee becomes an investment in your independence. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for your cup, remind yourself, this isn't just coffee. It's a daily message to your body. Stay strong, stay active, stay alive. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need a boost. And don't forget to subscribe to Feel Fresh 360, where we share science-backed ways to help seniors live longer, stronger, and healthier lives. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more doctor-approved health tips. Your strength starts with 1 cup.